What's up guys? So the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with stylus replacement for the Galaxy Note series. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be officially introduced very soon with an updated design and S Pen compartment, faster charging option and many other advanced features. For less than 3 weeks, Samsung will announce the new Galaxy S22 series. By now, by far the most details are already known about the three expected models. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will be the new top model. This smartphone will have a completely new design with an integrated S Pen and will therefore replace both the Galaxy S21 Ultra and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Rumors are already revealed that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the only model within the series 2022 to have a water drop camera design. The phone also gets favor rounded corners in order to keep enough space for the S Pen compartment. This makes the phone look a lot more business-like than the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus, using all available information graphic design Jermaine Smith, known as concept creator, has created a series of product renders of Samsung expected model, according to the Ice Universe. On Wednesday, February 9, 2022, the official release will take place at 11 p.m. Beijing time, that is 4 p.m. Dutch. This time sounds very believable. The time corresponds to previous years. Although no release date is mentioned, we consider it very like that. The new S series of smartphone will be released on Friday 25 February 2022. According to the second source, Samsung has opened pre-orders for the Galaxy S22 or Galaxy Tab S8. You will receive a $50 bonus towards the purchase of the Galaxy product during the pre-order period. Today, Samsung as expected officially opened pre-orders for the Galaxy S22 smartphone and the Galaxy Tab S8 tablets on its official website. After you reserve your spot as a first buyer, Samsung will also notify you of a $50 bonus on the purchase of the other Galaxy product during the pre-order period. Those who pre-order will have the exclusive right to buy new items before anyone else. Samsung is expected to launch three smartphones: the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as well as the Galaxy Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra tablets. The main focus will be on the Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone, which will combine the top Galaxy S Ultra series camera, large battery Galaxy Note design, and built-in S Pen stylus. Samsung has said that this is a pre-booking for time being a select the first buyer of the device bonus and other exclusive offer for buyers will be announced later. The presentation of the new product will take place on February 9, 2022. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well.